time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a positive note today and thereafter for the second consecutive day traded in a sideways manner throughout the day. Intraday we saw some profit booking in some of the mid and small cap counters where they had run up quite a bit in past few trading sessions. So the market was also mixed today with 836 advances to 687 declines. So there was a mix of both profit booking and some stocks gained in trade today. From the Nifty 50 pack, HDFC Limited, Reliance, Bharti, Hindalco were some of the stocks which closed with losses in today's trading session. On the flip side, Sun Pharma, Kotak Bank, IndusInd Bank, Lupin, HDFC Bank, BHEL were some of the stocks which closed with gains today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has been trading in an upward sloping channel. It is trading along the daily upper Bollinger Band, which indicates that prices are strong and the positive momentum should continue on the upside. Since past two trading sessions, there has been little advance in the value of Nifty or the price of Nifty. It is just trading in a range. However, it is trading with a positive bias. So our sense is that it's just a consolidation after this sharp run up that the Nifty has seen, and post this consolidation, or we can say the time wise correction is over, then the price wise movement on the upside shall continue in the coming trading sessions. We maintain a positive stance on Nifty. Now moving on to the chart of hourly chart of Nifty, we can observe that this sideways consolidation has created some kind of a negative divergence. However, the Nifty is trading above its crucial supports of the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. So even if we get a correction on the downside or a sideways consolidation might just continue in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports are placed at 82.97 and 82.65. On the upside, today's high that is 8365, 8368 and 8400 are crucial levels to watch out for in the coming trading sessions. We maintain a positive stance on Nifty for a target of 8500 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty comparatively was stronger in today's trading session. We saw stocks like State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, the Bank Nifty heavyweights gaining in trade today by more than 1.5% in today's trading session. So the Bank Nifty, as a result of which, also showed strength, and it was the outperformer in terms of indices in today's trading session. On the upside, 17,500 and 17,650 are crucial resistances. On the downside, 17,300 and 17,100 are crucial supports. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. Nifty has just seen consolidation for a couple of days now. We see this as just a sideways consolidation, and the positive momentum should continue on the upside in the coming trading sessions. That's all for the day. Thank you.